Introducing the iPhone 15 Pro, Redefining Excellence. As of my last update in January 2022, I don't have specific information about an iPhone 15 Pro as it would be a product released after that time. However, based on the typical progression of Apple's iPhone lineup, I can provide a speculative introduction to what an iPhone 15 Pro might entail. Apple continues its legacy of innovation with the highly anticipated release of the iPhone 15 Pro, the latest addition to its flagship smartphone lineup. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the iPhone 15 Pro sets new standards for performance, design, and user experience. Design asterisk. The iPhone 15 Pro boasts a sleek and sophisticated design, featuring a premium blend of glass and metal. With refined edges and a seamless finish, it exudes elegance from every angle. Available in a range of stunning colors, including classic options and bold new hues, there's a model to suit every style. Display asterisk. Prepare to be mesmerized by the iPhone 15 Pro's stunning display. Equipped with an advanced OLED panel, the screen delivers unparalleled clarity, vibrant colors, and true-to-life contrast. Whether you're streaming your favorite content, browsing the web, or editing photos, every interaction is a visual delight. Performance asterisk. Powered by the latest A-series chip, the iPhone 15 Pro offers blazing fast performance and unparalleled efficiency. Whether you're multitasking with demanding apps, gaming with console-quality graphics, or editing 4K videos on the go, the device handles every task with ease. Plus, with enhanced battery life, you can stay productive and entertained for longer than ever before. Asterisco asterisco camera asterisco asterisco. Capture memories in breathtaking detail with the iPhone 15 Pro's revolutionary camera system. Featuring advanced sensor technology and innovative computational photography capabilities, it elevates your photography to new heights. From stunning landscapes to intimate portraits, every shot is imbued with clarity, depth, and rich color. Connectivity asterisk. Stay connected wherever you go with the iPhone 15 Pro's lightning-fast 5G capabilities. Whether you're streaming content, downloading apps, or video calling loved ones, you can enjoy seamless connectivity and high-speed performance. Plus, with support for the latest Wi-Fi standards, you can enjoy faster internet speeds and more reliable connections. Privacy and security asterisk. At Apple, your privacy and security are paramount. That's why the iPhone 15 Pro incorporates industry-leading features to protect your personal information and data. From advanced facial recognition technology to robust encryption standards, you can use your device with confidence, knowing that your privacy is always safeguarded. Software asterisk. Experience the power of iOS, the world's most advanced mobile operating system. With a host of new features and enhancements, iOS on the iPhone 15 Pro offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. Whether you're navigating your device, organizing your life with productivity apps, or discovering new ways to express yourself with creative tools, iOS empowers you to do more than ever before. Conclusion asterisk. With its unparalleled combination of design, performance, and innovation, the iPhone 15 Pro redefines what's possible in a smartphone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or someone who simply demands the best, the iPhone 15 Pro is the ultimate expression of excellence from Apple.